Got one.
You got one.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is a good one.
Oh, it's big.
Yeah. Yeah. Freaking drum, baby.
Woo!
Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Look at the size of that one. I need pliers. Oh my gosh, I think Irene, go get the pliers out of the car. No idea.
Oh.
This is like my third time saltwater fishing. Got him pretty good though.
Irene, can I have a shrimp?
A small one?
Oh my gosh, that thing fought so hard. Is my GoPro going, please?
Yeah.
Swag. Freaking jacked.
Here. This one will catch a fish. I promise.
Swag. I don't want to touch it. Let's touch it with this hand.
Why?
Because it looks really mean. Bye, fish. It's probably got some shrimp in it. Oh, there's a bite right there. Oh my gosh!
Got one.
Good gosh! Oh, it's a big one.
Man, that was big.
Oh boy! Oh, did you see that thing pull? Woo, doggy! Oh my gosh!
Mom, you got one.
Look at the freaking size of this one! Woo, doggy!
Happens if your line breaks.
It's 20-pound braid. It's not gonna break, Irene. Hold the rod. Oh my gosh, this thing's huge.
Wow.
Look at the freaking size of this one.
That's a hog.
Oh my gosh. He's kicking sand everywhere. I don't know how the heck I'm gonna get my...
A crab?
How the heck am I gonna get my hook out of there?
Oh, wow. I don't know.
Oh, wow. It threw off my split shot.
Look at the size of that thing.
I'm gonna need a new split shot. That's okay. Whoa. Oh my gosh. I've caught 3 fish so far.
And I filmed them.
Yeah, Irene's filmed all of them. Come on, get that freaking hook out. Wow.
By the way, this is filmed by me.
Well, that hook's bent. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use this hook again. It's so bent.
Just get it.
Wow.
Is the starfish alive? No. Even better. Dad, you gotta use the small.
Jeez. Look at that freaking hook. That hook had met its match. The thing looks like prehistoric. I don't want to touch that thing. Got one. hooked up. No, I hooked him right. Yeah, how the heck does my split shot keep coming off? Like break or something. I don't know. Holy cow, this one's weird looking. This one's super weird.
Dad, you've got one.
That answers your question on what hook we should be using. Look, that hook came right out. Swag. Whoa. I know, it's weird.
There we go.
Small hooks and more shrimp. That's the answer, is small hooks and shrimp.
Take your rod.
There we go. Whoa, doggy. Just like, oh my gosh. Oh yeah, another drum. I hooked that one really, whoa. Jeez. This one's going insane. Hey. Hey. You calm down, sir.